The system used to store and manage criminal evidence in Colorado is failing.
A new report warns massive quantities of digital evidence like body cam footage is crippling the system. Your investigator Sean Boyd was the first to report those findings yesterday. Today she looks at how one of our state's largest judicial districts is wrestling with that issue.
And Sean, these days body camera footage alone can create a ton of evidence.
One serious crime can easily generate more than 50 hours of body cam footage. Then there's dash cams, ring cams, drones, and that's just the video evidence. Prosecutors and public defenders are drowning in digital data. Tonight, how one district attorney is keeping her office afloat. The 1st Judicial District Attorney's Office prosecutes nearly 20,000 criminal cases a year, and most of them include video as evidence.
We're going to look at hours and hours of tape for a single case that doesn't necessarily rise to the point of a major crime.
District Attorney Alexis King says her office received more than 67,000 videos this year with nearly 42,000 hours of footage, an 83% increase in just 3 years.
It's just a massive wave of information.
She saw the wave coming when the state passed a law 5 years ago requiring all 14,000 law enforcement officers in the state to wear body cameras. She hired a chief technology officer and reassigned 25 staff to processing digital evidence, from surveillance video to cell phone extractions, to ensure nothing is missed.
If we've seized 6 phones and we only have a download for 2, we're going to say, what's the status of those other phones?
If the staggering volume of data isn't enough, many law enforcement agencies use third-party vendors to electronically submit their data, all with different formats, forcing district attorneys and public defenders to buy multiple software licenses just to view it. King says she's spending $200,000 a year.
And that price is only going to go up.
But the price of not keeping up is far greater. By law, prosecutors have 21 days after a defendant's first appearance to share evidence with the defense or face sanctions.
We really have to think about what the future looks like and how to plan for that, not only here locally, but also at the state level.
One district attorney's office had so many discovery violations, the judge lowered the defendant's charge from first-degree to second-degree murder. Attorneys are not only struggling to review, catalog, and redact the mounting data, but to afford storage for it, which they say has increased 45% in the last 10 years. State lawmakers asked a task force to come up with solutions. It recommended, among other things, upgrading the state's current system, used primarily to transmit documents, and integrating it with some of the top vendor systems, which will cost money, a lot of money. But at the end of the day, really, this is about ensuring justice in the criminal justice system. So it's an urgent issue, so critically important that the state addresses.
Yeah, really concerning. All right. Thank you, Sean.